Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to reset PSVR2 controller on PS5. We will start by looking at the list of connected accessories. To do this, click on the upper icon of Settings. Then we enter the Accessories section, and then the Bluetooth Accessories section. Here we will see that we currently have our PSVR2 controls connected to the console. It is time to proceed to the reset of the controls. To do this, let's look at the inner rear of the PSVR2 controller. We will see that it has a small hole which will be necessary for the reset. Next, what we have to look for is something that has a tip that is worth to introduce into that hole. It is advisable to use the skewer that usually comes in the box of any mobile phone, but you can try other alternatives such as a clip. Insert the skewer into the hole of the remote and hold until you see that it disappears from the list of connected accessories. It may take you a bit to introduce it. Look for the position where you can feel a small button inside the hole and hold there. Do the same process with the other controller. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Finally, if we want to relink the controller, we will connect it by cable to the PS5. Then press the middle button of the control for a few seconds to make the link correctly. We will see that the control reappears in the list of accessories. Do the same process with the other controller. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.